morning. Welcome to the program Gyan Se Kalyan. Myself, Dr. Vaidyanath Ram Prajapati, Associate Professor. My dear friend, we have started accounting basic. So today we are proceeding to the next part, that is trial balance and rectification of error. This is very important. So we will see this on the basis of question answer and the objective types of the question. So here is a very small format of trial balance where serial number, heads of account, ledger folio, debit and credit. As we have seen under the process of accounting. So we are generalizing, analyzing, and after them we are preparing ledger, and from the balances of the ledger we are preparing trial balance. So the trial balance is a tool for verification or verifying the correctness of debit and credit amount. So here a very small simple meaning is given. A trial balance is a statement showing the balances or total of debit and credit of all the accounts in the ledger with a view to verify the arithmetical accuracy of posting into the ledger account. So, my dear friend, this is very important tool because with the help of this, we are preparing trading account, profit and loss account and balance sheet. So here, what are the objectives of preparing the trial balance? The basic objective is to ascertain the arithmetical accuracy of the ledger, to help in locating errors, to help in preparation of financial statement, that is profit and loss account, balance sheet, trading account. So now the next part is if there some error occurs in the account, so how we can rectification of error affecting trial balance. So the error which affects only one account can be rectified by giving an explanatory note in the account affected or by recording a journal entry with the help of suspense account. So suspense account is prepared to match the trial balance. This is the difference between debit and credit, and this comprises many errors. So another is what are the method of preparation of trial balance? So my dear friend, we are preparing trial balance in three ways. That is the total method, balance method, total cum balance method. So what are the significance of agreement of trial balance? It tell it trial balance means that both the debit and credit entries have been made correctly for each transaction. So here very special things you might not. The agreement of trial balance is not an absolute proof of accuracy of accounting records. So another version, what are the different types of errors? So here we are going to discuss different types of the errors which may occur while doing the accounting. So errors of commission, error of omission, error of principal and compensating error. So what is error of commission? These are the errors which are committed due to wrong posting of transactions, wrong totaling or wrong balancing of the accounts, wrong casting of subsidiary books. So another is what are the errors of omission? The error of omission may be committed at the time of recording the transactions in the books of original entry or while posting to ledger. These can be two types: error of complete omission, error of partial omission. The next type is error of principle. Accounting entries are recorded as per the generally accepted accounting principles. If any of these principles are violated or ignored, errors resulting from such violation are known as error of principle. An error of principle may occur due to incorrect classification of expenditure or receipt between capital and revenue. So here, next one is compensating error, when two or more errors are committed in such a way that the net effect of these error on the debit and credit of account is nil. Such errors are called compensating error. What are the different methods of searching error? How we can find out it? Recast the total and debit. Recast the total of debit and credit column of the trial balance. compare the account head, title and account appearing in the trial balance, then redo and check the correctness of balances of individual account in the later, recheck the correctness of posting in the account. So these all are the process by which we are finding out errors. So another is how we can rectify it. The error may be classified in the following two categories from the point of view of rectifying: errors which do not affect the trial balance, errors which affect the trial balance. Errors which are committed into two or more accounts, such error are also known as two-sided error. So here example, complete omission to record an entry in the books of original entry. Rectification entry can be done by debiting the account with short debit or the excess credit, crediting the account with excess debit or with short credit. Another very important part, that is multiple choice questions. So my dear friend, here suggested answer are also provided. So you try yourself. Best of luck. So another important, very good question, that is MCQ. Next, what is meaning of trial balance? It is a statement showing the abstracts of the balance, debit and credit of various ledgers. What are the objectives of preparation of trial balance? The main objectives of preparing trial balance are to ascertain the arithmetical accuracy of the ledger, to help locating error, to help preparation of final account. Another, how we can rectify the errors. So error affecting only one account can be rectified giving explanatory note, and two-sided error by making journal entry. So what are the error of principle? So under here, errors due to wrong classification of receipts and payment between revenue and capital are regarded as error of principle. So what is suspense account? Writes its utility. Very, very important. So here an account in which the difference in the trial balance is put till such time that errors are located and rectified. It facilitates the preparation of financial statement even when the trial balance does not tally. Compensating error, two or more errors committed in such way that they nullify the effect of each other on the debit and credit. Disposal of suspension account, how we can close suspense account. When all the errors are located and rectified, the suspense account is then disposed of because we are posting that. Error of commission, what does it mean? Error caused due to wrong recording of transaction, wrong totaling, wrong casting, wrong balancing are known as error of commission. What is error of omission? Error caused due to omission of recording a transaction entirely or partly in the books of account. Another short answer questions are given here, so you must try it. Some another practical type question is also given, so you test your knowledge. So term here we have used, that is compensating error, commission, principal, omission, suspense account. So here a trial balance is prepared. How? So this is the objective type questions. Another MCQ is provided for your better understanding. So you must try it. So another is rectification of error in the next accounting year. Very important. When the error committed in one account year are located and rectified in the next accounting year, profit and loss account adjustment is debited or credited in place of expenses, losses, income, gains, in order to avoid impact of income statement in next accounting year. Guiding principles here is very, very important in case of rectification of error. If error is committed in books of original entry, then assume all posting are done accordingly. If error is at the posting stage, then assume that recording in subsidiary books has been correctly done. If error is in posting, to wrong account without mentioning side of amount posting, then assume that posting has been done in the right side and with the right amount. If posting is done to a correct account but with wrong amount without mentioning side of posting, then assume that posting has been done on correct side. So guiding principle, again we are proceeding. If error in the posting to a wrong account on the wrong side without mentioning amount of posting, then assume that the posting has been done with amount as per the original recording of transactions. If error is the posting of a wrong account with wrong amount without mentioning the side of posting, then assume that posting has been done on the right side. If posting is done to a correct account on the wrong side without mentioning amount posting, then assume the posting has been done on the correct amount as per original recording. Any error in posting of individual transaction in subsidiary book relate to individual account only, then sales account, purchase account, sales return account, purchase return are not involved. So my dear friend, again we are proceeding. If the transaction recorded in cash book, then the error in the posting relates to the other affected account, not to cash account, bank account. If transaction recorded through journal proper, then the phrase transactions was not posted indicate error in the both account involved unless stated otherwise. Error in casting of subsidiary books will affect only that account where total of the particular books is posted, leaving the individual personal account unaffected. My dear friend, here is the brief introduction about the trust, that is Vishwa Manav Kalyan Charitable Trust for the welfare of the human being. We should spread awareness about knowledge donation, blood donation, organ donation, good donation. Thank you very much.